Meet your new favorite products to hydrate your skin and lock in moisture. Today we're going to be reviewing some of the top skincare products with hyaluronic acid. This naturally occurring ingredient has become one of the most talked about ingredients in beauty circles, thanks to its incredible hydrating and anti-aging properties. And while hyaluronic acid can work wonders for all skin types, we know that not all products are created equal, and using the wrong one for your skin type can actually do more harm than good. In this episode, we'll be breaking down some of the products with hyaluronic acid, discussing their benefits, how to use them, and which skin types they're best suited for. We know that hydration is the key to healthy and youthful looking skin, and hyaluronic acid helps to lock in moisture, providing long-lasting hydration throughout the day. So whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, hyaluronic acid can work wonders for your skin. Before we get into all the amazing products on the market out there, I want to talk about why our skin might look a little lackluster in the first place. Of course, we have our old friends, genetics and aging, but there are also factors we don't always think about when we think of our skin issues. I'm talking about things like dehydration and even pollution. There's so many harmful pollutants interacting with our skin every day, which is a big reason washing our faces is so important every day. That's where hyaluronic acid comes in. It helps our skin stretch and stay flexible, which reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Not only is it an ingredient that's already naturally produced in our bodies, but it holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it an excellent moisturizer for dry and dull skin. And the best part is that all skin types can use it, which my humble opinion makes it a must-have in your skincare routine. When applied to our skin, hyaluronic acid works by binding to water molecules in your skin, helping keep it hydrated and supple. Not only does it help with hydration, but it also helps to protect your skin from those environmental stressors I mentioned. Now that we're all caught up on why hyaluronic acid is so great, let's talk about how to choose the right product for your skin type. Now, I don't want to get too technical here, but I think it's important to talk about the molecular weight of hyaluronic acid. I know that already sounds too overly scientific, but hear me out, you'll see why it matters. Low molecular weight hyaluronic acid is a lot smaller in size, which means it can penetrate deeper into the skin, providing longer lasting hydration. This type of hyaluronic acid is best for those with dry or mature skin. Low molecular weight means more moisture for the dry skin folks. On the other hand, higher molecular weight hyaluronic acid stays on the surface of the skin, providing a much quicker burst of hydration. This type of hyaluronic acid is best for anyone with oily or acne-prone skin. The concentration of hyaluronic acid in the product also plays a part in how effective it is. Generally, a concentration of 1 to 2% is recommended for daily use, but some products might contain a higher concentration for more intense hydration. We're talking about splashing your face dramatically like in skincare commercials hydrated. But that fast-acting hydration doesn't linger long, which is why it's a better choice for oily or acne-prone skin types. Last but certainly not least, it's important to choose a product that's going to complement your skin tone. For example, some hyaluronic acid products contain additional ingredients like vitamin C or niacinamide, which can help to brighten and even out our skin tone. But generally, those with darker skin tones may benefit from those type of products. When choosing a hyaluronic acid product, look for ones that are lightweight and easily absorbed into the skin. Serums and gels are great options because they give us a high concentration of hyaluronic acid without feeling heavy or greasy on the skin. Ultimately, the best way to find the right hyaluronic acid product for your skin type and tone is to do your research, which you seem to already be doing. Read product reviews and consult with a skincare professional if you feel like you need a more intensive look at your skin. Hyaluronic acid products may be just the thing your skincare routine has been missing. In this honest review, we'll be discussing 4 popular products that contain hyaluronic acid. We'll take a close look at each product, its benefits, its drawbacks, and whether it's worth the investment. First up, we have Hanskin's Hyaluron Skin Essence. An essence is traditionally a water-based skincare product, but don't let that make you think it's watered down. This is one of the most versatile items on this list because it's great for just about every skin type. This fan favorite is a toner, an essence, and a moisturizing lotion all in one, making this a really versatile product that you'll want to keep in your tool belt. This one has no drawbacks. I recommend everyone give it a try and see how it works with your unique skin type. Next, we have the Cosrx Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This serum is a popular choice for anyone looking to incorporate hyaluronic acid into their skincare routine. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling plump and hydrated. This one is one of the more budget-friendly items on the list, and while it's suitable for sensitive skin, I wouldn't recommend it for oilier skin types. Another option on the list might be better suited for you. The Hanua Hibiscus Beauty Booster is next up, and it's hands down a great option for those with dry or dehydrated skin. While the hyaluronic acid is hard at work, the hibiscus and astaxanthin are an amazing combination, bringing even more combined power than vitamin C. It absorbs well and leaves skin feeling soft and nourished without any greasiness. Really oily skin should stay away from this one because it probably won't end up doing you any favors. This is formulated for normal and dry skin. We can't forget Good Light's Order of the Eclipse Hyaluronic Cream. This cream is another versatile one. It instantly drenches your skin, nourishing it with elements that penetrate deep into your pores. It protects, strengthens, and boosts your skin, leaving you with a smooth finish without greasing up already oily skin. Overall, all of these products are great options for incorporating hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine. Depending on your skin type and specific needs, each product may work differently for you. It's important to note that hyaluronic acid works best when used in conjunction with other hydrating ingredients and a consistent skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful ingredient that can do wonders for your skin's hydrations and overall health. However, sometimes it needs a little extra help to achieve its full potential. That's where complementary skincare products come in. Here are some products from JCPenney that can help boost the effectiveness of your hyaluronic acid skincare routine. Facial mists are a great way to refresh and hydrate the skin throughout the day. Look for a mist that has nourishing ingredients like green tea, rose water, or chamomile. Pixi has a nourishing mist that is a great one for locking in hydration and soothing your skin. And don't forget about your lips. A good lip oil can often be the answer to our lips hydration. The Glow Easy Nourishing Vitamin C Lip Oil from I Do Care is rich in vitamins and uses raspberry oil for a bit of tinted shine. I also want to mention a couple of hyaluronic acid products that aren't for your skin. Hyaluronic acid can also add hydration and moisture to your hair. The Matrix Food for Soft Hair Mask uses an infusion of avocado oil and hyaluronic acid to replenish even the driest, most porous hair, making it ideal for every wash. Another good hair care product to get a little more protection and moisture into your locks is the HydraSource Blow Dry Shaping Lotion from Biolage. It provides the perfect combination of heat protection, weightless hydration, and shape memory for up to 72 hours. By incorporating these products into your beauty routine, you can enhance the benefits of hyaluronic acid and achieve an even more hydrated, healthy-looking skin and hair. And that's a wrap on hyaluronic acid. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Whether you opt for a lightweight cream, a hydrating serum, or a daily moisturizer, there are plenty of options available to help plumpen, support, and hydrate your skin and your hair with hyaluronic acid. If you still have questions or need to talk to somebody about the best options for your unique skin type, we want to help you find the right products for you. Come into any JCPenney Beauty, and their beauty experts will help you find the right stuff for your skin and lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all things makeup and skincare at JCPenney, and be sure to ring the bell so you can get a notification when new skincare tips drop. We'd also love to hear about your skincare routine, so leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.